cut it like this with the help of knife. With the help of glue gun, we have to design the lines on the cardboard roll. Like this, we have to design the cardboard roll. Now we have to paint our cardboard roll with yellow and green color. Color the inside portion with brown color. Take CD and color it with green color. Make 5 sets of different size. Now paste it with glue gun. Our beautiful and amazing pen stand is ready. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.